Oh.
I greet you, Baba.
Double, sir. Il est la vidéo, double.
Yo.
So, a matter ni ma no we Baba, a lady up man at Lizzy K, one of Benjo.
Yes.
So, mini atali le here, wa atali different things here we, ikbia ya no lele, e ya wulo ye we. When it ana, mujane, ya wo bia no wulo no lele, e ya wulo ye we. So the thing here was yeah, so the thing is frustrating. So my epalagui I working.
Okay. Otin Robert one.
Otin Robert one.
You see me Mokogiva. My last one here.
Okay, I Robert ni okay friend Lizzy.
Yes.
Okay. The country ni Raji.
Ano.
Nini Robert.
Holland.
Holland. Okay. So can you tell us anything story about me and friend Igbe voice you know or 20 war?
No. Lizzy a friend of Terry. No in the matter. No. Allow no. After being a Segwea. He has Segwea more than 8 years before he make it over. He have already covered any.
Okay, you want 20 Segwea for 8 years.
For 8 years of make it over.
Going to 9 years, even self.
Going to 9 years. Before 20 but 20.
I call him me. Where we might tell me. You know, share hospital in Tiablas near.
Okay, or 20 is a Lizzy cat, and you know, Mario Huawei. Okay, our friend Lizzy K.
We don't go over my fear you want because them moon and Yaji Munava, we all land in a region, Robert Ovigen.
Okay, Ovigen Robert Wari.
Yes, we all land in a Guarina.
Okay.
So we made the story more call a mama because when I do where a life in Omana Madawi. By fears or 20 year or in a vagiro. Understand over here do my yakin. Brother, where maybe where a momo. In the or cannot do. Oga Robert or Mokman or not be any or mam or my bielele. Agmoya and I can't wait till you carry a zingo all those things. Only I will find you proving me. Lizzy a brodine, a guna mavigene. Ora even or begging.
Ude Lizzy K na agmoya ma oviju weni.
Yes, I will boldly say it because alternative here waga on winner, but omana win of ya do work, ya work, umana miyoko no go emudia. Why ya timudia? Lizzy that bovigene before market do work a fire, do to wugbo, I want na odo ma GP. When it be worrying one, and I probably won a fair original. Understanding it. So, where we made the whole story, mother called where Mamma was so known as in Uga Miamogi. Understand, Ovia Mobo will not go vigene. Ovigene Raimi no Kanek Bay, it can walk in my mind.
So, Lizzy K also visual there for good 8 to 9 years. I can hear visual do.
Yes. This is October, but yeah. Online now, October being June, so if I say wait years ago, 9 years ago. I understand me. So for me, no ya see as your normal ever. I understand no work I can make me.
But 20 years, one year kewu.
Mama, August 25th, on the 24th, so you have a 25 of can call it where brother okare kono le ko ni maropero panore we boero na ya call jene tamewe ogwewo. Understand you see danger ke do go with December last year magi ki on my BP oga obia de ga gbekian. So for me why I see not to target wo and me ile ta me mama we I see that they are see o e money not no we matter ni lad and we get to the root of it.
Okay.
Okay. Lizzy mare la for kevu.
Okay. Agree, my sister. All the time, Lizzy, your friend, your twin. How Lizzy, was he a good person to your twin, or was he what are with you people?
Not good to us, man. Nature do la jado asa igbunania. When in the life in jail, I like your strength.
So Lizzy.
I like your strength. I'm already learning. Or in any time. Mama let me know you jene one day. I went Biawo kwa akia gui. But as I had Jean Baba near very settle egbene. Right from time, no. So you get time.
Because when I was going na, here why I give social media where I will you aware.
Let me mama no say no people. Only you no not here. No ya me bog be. You're true to God. Because me a dog go jawo. My brother. Kind of nonsense is that? Hello.
Hello, my nota, my brother.
Hello.
My nota.
Ovia do my yahi. Not ye, Yawu away. As in, I will, Yawu your away. Demino dotie, Biawu your away. Oh, be are not making love with who. On a woo you went. On at your woo your away.
Yeah.
Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Omania Oma Bassik be an for 8 years. Or more than 8 years.
Media na when I saw the social media and you have to be a presenter. Unsusu obuse we. Masa unsusu.
I just said
so I will saga. So they will now try to make the thing like real. Mana or do a debunker, do a tamima way. Most of all these presenters, unsusu yakin, undayakin, as them was obuse we. Masa where what total balo. This is what they are doing. Masa what total balo you. So I go for the why told no I won't ba if you make a record but at Esther talk show no ya balo here Lizzy Kigbe why ya bere ba our balo wa watch me laugh o do wa watch me laugh because yeah, if I do money, I have blogger do vieux picher les lait, do vieux picher des personnes les lait, et ma ouais na ouais mata ya gele ya saga. Mama wuye Lizzy K ouais. Thank God the way after 8 years, we need the family who are $80 de social media do go ina go ma wa my sister. Ina go ma wa. Bege.
Otime rewebo. Me ma Lizzy K ba o. Me ma be ha de resource. Lizzy K body in Nigeria. Ona gwali ma di owa. Ore otu mahia. Cause sister. Owa di mahia. Mama ha de mama he we, but aka wa ma he. Oma. Ona okay. Ona we ma he. The robot one. Manawe he otimano ona wo that's what me obekpa ona aka moteme wi equalima yen second maje the otimere yen na be ade that's Lizzy K kokwe bo yakugbe mi na me akenye na mi ni ata o me akenye na mi ni ata
Only that the guvega ni awe ezoni awe tien buno. No. After 5 years, 2020 August 25, Ọmọ no woman no ikeke no wada enya do asaga. Mama why don't you go in okay how? Imagine.
Very. Every get ya wataki we ima wa wulo yo ewe o ikpe wulo yo ewe ni ikpe ro pa aju. Even na guana o pe ane the man Lizzy lile na eni the man wa ya si wa social media war re wo o rin re wo o rin re wo every get head talking na.
Okay.
Social media kana azewo so
OVA Lizzy. Emera.
Omera o but social media our generate social media ya wo wu ne ya wo wu
Yo sa.
ya wo wu
Ena.
if emeda wa pe fuba if Victor we Kevin tini ne the omo o we Kevin wu ne o wo wu ne o
Ere kebi ni Nigeria ri po bayi.
okay
We no no aroma gboni.
awo wu ne
So ni bala ko ya.
Then I guana ebo ni awo blessing Lizzy the one awo blessing Lizzy ya we boni fegbe then I guana we boni iragbo ebo ni awo fegbe le bejo awe boni ori Lizzy ya o man of today but today ebo ni iragbo
Yes.
awe boni iragbo
Then give you no be ala todo things e ma ni ja na dai le ko we wa no be le we no
so ovijuwa no wu wa ma o be Lizzy wa mi wo
Lai.
what you can no do you no gbo da fun no manile we bo ma no gbo Timothy tomorrow akọ ka we bo le gbo ogun so wa gu ya mu je ero be ogun yeah valid email you can no ga le record on agbon mi ya o they tell Lizzy ma pa ya gbon tere mo boy like I'm saying
I oga tell Lizzy ye go to ero ewu
yes I'm you kuno ti mu jano ya we re na so my brother with social media and you so na the movie table or na the movie TV show we to bu we
no me ya mo we me no sunu platform me na ta I might do adiboke the platform me na
okay
I me re platform me adiboke wo we ata because I even ni social media we we presenter e fracomozo Esther talk show ni ati a baby elephant no more Doria no ya what your door allegedly my idiot do or what door that what your door by coded I did in so now when I gwana na iyan yo waya e to ri yo we ima wolo ye egbe even with my leader iku mama iku oni we do talk we isaga ya o we ima ba wulo ye we oni do talk we do tell na we saga ya o but nike iya ye wa ta lori yo egbe ta lori ye egbe the thing is not funny anymore so very soon ave boni kwa aturi and ave tie so ne na mamu ye social media atie boni bune na mamu ye social media
era no migo ya mo pisho tele la jale ni mo peti la diawo te do ya we ba mo tele ta ba wo meje Nigeria oba seki onwe na Nigeria no migo na saga tele le zino always say when you give way me you know anything you talk you ni my reply anybody you let me but I will reply. Oh, and actually, now my brother, I want to walk you, Mr. Any names are raw. Theater. Oh, yeah, everyone, I want to walk on a camel, original woman, Banoroid. Then you may you never want Charlie. You they consign you want to tomorrow. Then I wish you like the other year. Then my house, a better for a
no, for after close to 9 years, close to 8 to 9 years. When I tell you like they do 7 song in Lizzy, that means it was very nice to you people. Also, na man we
Why
agbona. If you dey date man, dey next to the family. They know you turn the whole family to say all of them are your enemy. Tomorrow you may still see find one of them. Look now, if not be all these people constantly talk the good side of Lizzy K. Yate mweniri and the media. Aye tenata na o, aye tenata na akwe. Iya ilaje wa akwe do ta oge no. Oge because omeme yahin, maya yane. Omeme yahin. Masa said what the bucket na the real people in the world. Iya e wata niru way. So any omeme yahin. They will still come out and still talk again. You ma care. So far, ni awa gone.
Omeme no report.
Omeme no look more yahin.
Because if you ever just go back to Italian, Johnny and the odd because my time on even now. Now the one there at talent. Anytime you must see you to be now you will now worry. I will not go regime. No matter
Thank God na we wale ba we ere kevi o wa ere agbon. Awere kevi wu.
Oh wow. It is well power.
So, madam, we say, we mean of what do you see? You say in Lizzy K one of Benjona, we say, Agbona, Yahweh is good to be good. Anything you are doing in life, always be good.
When me hear mom say, when always a team you have seen you say in to where Mudiana now where we show Yanata.
Me the media jail. Osinye na ti omo mebu. Osinye na ti omo mebu. We oge. Ari oge woni zago woni wo wodo. O de ke na mari ari oge ko. Ala awodi ya ge wo wodo. Awa mgboni. We na gwana na woni ri ane. Okulone. Masa na so man you we yan egbe yan believe. Na egeme ya dige the matter. Ado me one of the woman no we ye gbinane otien awiye ado bege we the girl we otia wani ya kame umesto negbe for a very long time ni managbo man now on wana do expose here we lare uwe tin odafu we na no ro wana we ya akpakori ogwe na uwe tin o me na no weta what we no wa vaka we mi kugbe e we vaka wa go ko donisha mi a na gwana bakori ogwi ye ma mi ya gbopata o ta lo ge ja ta lo ge
I agree on it. Go on, I did agree on Jimmy. Because one of Jimmy and your boy will do nonsense.
Media kana we to understand the media wajina aki Jimmy na ya o Jimmy na ho we ki una ru eti ru video e ma sa na o no Jimmy na re or video o ma do aso ye Jimmy na. So the most is in a row when my debugger na mani budu agiya na ozuo except I was when even agbonaji Jesus Christ no do we so ma at least I betrayed Jesus Christ. Master so many years they will continue to talk but the whole world will be looking at like they are foolishness. Master immediately ima we agiya na ozuo. Master na Ariel na even not bona mia, even the real people Ariel na azuo. But a media na be only go brainwashing of the media. I even know what media is what I believe in. It's what I believe in. Idioji.
E what worry?
If I was man,
only what a man no because when you feel only ya feel what that ta because it's very bad. Mama wuye ewe, ma make no mana wuye ewe. I don't know where they see all those story. I want my story like ballad. But if you better na Mama Lizzy una wash, you have to be very strong. Ezeyai, because of my got titi ne wagbon. Ya must to meet man. Or I to titi wagbon. Ume, ebi pataki ave big tis in ume. Uba ya ezeyo we video. So ya beg you big is you are bigger than them. So there's any anyati amwegboto na wa mo biogi ni nyaka amoyo egbe wa when you have proof they don't approve uso ani wulo yo nya wo wulo yo ya wegwe when you am tian palaja no tian do tawe a Lizzy K na oteme wuyo egwe matagle no ya ma me ro pari ladian oga cut no bana When Lizzy K vie weakness ire na, a when you have your weakness ire, you ma be weakness if you're in a jigan. You wa jigan straight. Now, because now, uso wa niata wo Lizzy K we 18 year do agwane vision wa no gele wu ne Lizzy K friend. O vision or gwana as evidence. So here ni do atoge na wa when you have evidence la dia. Wa when you tie anybody no wu Lizzy K gbe na tie family ni na we no ba do gwan wo we a o tell no friend Lizzy K o tell na wu Lizzy K we when you are rock back la dia. You cannot see them bring one person out.
Because
just evil people. Evil people.
Useless and jobless idiots. I mean, now go to Mujoviero. That's what I'm saying. You're wrong, Bana. You family.
Very. This is what you have been doing in Unia. Yeah, I've been doing this even when I wanna one of the boys of the tournament. Okwoban is afraid of America. Ogoni because blackmailing. Ogoni when is a Ogoni ke do time we lare do rescue me. Do rescue me. O boy ga diane mo rescue yan. The same guy na. Ona agbero woman ba church of America. The woman na wa zero. One is more than $300,000 ne. Because zero, the woman bought one boy now with me. Yeah, the motor in Nigeria. The woman okay. The boy now ya lay friend who ni do mu marry na. The woman at my we friend who all deny the woman we my friend the woman where the fancy no deny the woman. Edumana okay ni ba test again. Ngiri go gie. Edumana was stay for 6 months or ran nego do my giri go gie. I want to do my rigori. I don't want more like the doctor. We to go near one or we were afraid they do go near water. Our most with the woman we afraid they talk will not big bewa. Only waiting here when you try for like some months, you get to a stay. It may not matter stay. It may not feel we go get phone. Menawa. So many work bella dia. You get work bella don't come. My sister we afraid they make it come when we woman we abunya. Oh, this is a woman no makalaki me because right from time the boy me malaki the boy me was saga the woman ya. So the woman malaki me the woman na feel me te bone boyfriend in. O me get matter, e got time but on his setting me the woman ma like me do like say. After what nene me de gbene me the woman do like say. Me the woman got here de degbo matie me. I do gbe the woman na again, I have a bonaya was say, you know, we camera down. So a woman ya naked or ya we be love. The boy now record ya or keep it. Oh, keep it. So now again, the woman when you kuna you side the men already video threatening the woman. Already a woman you come or we la dia or we la dia cause when they worry. Yeah, I was savage. I'm moving la dia. The man well even you to be a king. I'm working la dia king. Only with the family, the more they kill. Then I go on hold my TB or book when you wouldn't have one. The same boy now, oh, you are a media, yet doggy money. Oh, yeah, support it. Yeah, support it. I hear the money in that walla lao. No, one bit. If you had the mess on you, then I go on. I supported the boy. Yeah, I support it. I was there, so I support it. So I bought it, yeah. The boy you're laughing now. A bonnet book be boy no better 13. They left me watching now. I watching my book while you watching my magwana.
Oh, okay.
He made the bunker, and I mean why I guana. We am a blogger moya, but here if a voice walk back in a ladder picture where mamma no guan. Case not do me voice with YouTube work where we don't know why blogger more. Egui because the time I better really live video. No, here my picture where your mama no go on picture where it show, but the voice where it show. No, picture brother, where here brother, where here but a picture sister na no nya the matter ya ti mo yo. I'm with the picture of man Natalia no to you but TV ni yo. But all
Benoma Kirivo, Ovision Yasin Adelegbe. Who not tell me ya have because of no one no matter can I saga honestly.
Okay.
Let you never go and process in on soon. Oh, ya take care. Eh?
Let me hear it. So my sister Osaba Wesi Wawedo Guan. Wawesi. I'm very happy with Wawedo see music in Ukwana. Wawesi. No one wine. Wawesi. Oh mana, Wawesi. Okay. So my people, now see say this Lizzy K we get restaurants, the biggest restaurants of Benjo, whether they pull out for her head. Now see the family wait for fair Fred ma now the mama of the person we back now they talk so. Now they hear me so now they talk so. So in life, people not they pull lie for people body again. Now they hear me so. So I see play small for you. If I'll play the one with Esther, still take pull lie for the woman head.
Hi, lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How are they, my correct people? Yes, so I don't carry another story.
And they talk now, I'm gonna share it to go give Chief Ogwa. Make it borrow leg, join leg, take rope of Lizzy.
Good evening.
If you like in life, because it's children where he gets. Lizzy only have one son called Kelvin. I'm gonna ask Lizzy, where Papa Kelvin? That chapter. That means the man went up by the don't go 5.
Yeah.
Now 4 before now, if I add Papa Kelvin, it don't go 5.
This fool where they talk now, you see me bring one proof come out. For all those 4 or 5 men, may bring one family member of those people, may they come the witness. You know, see anyone bring. It's just galabanti, stupid, foolishness all the time. Oh wow, yeah. You only present any beg on me webo or kokiriere wa ekiaro o wa no go be bonnet or that woman collector for you. Whom money where it camp woman for America, they build ass for another woman again collect the ass for her. Or il a done with you. No, stupid is a media now. Oh no, stupid is a my so more play Esther talk show. Esther talk show. More listen to Esther talk show. No we only no we wo. Only akwe medinese. Akwe o mana delete. O mana delete ave ni we no. Ejeri oti ejo. I just settle matter na. Kahwekba no settlement again is everlasting saga. Kahwekba no settlement again is everlasting saga. Everlasting saga here no. We man worry boy. We might apply for man this year. Kahwekba is everlasting saga. I stop pay. Anything no soon now, everybody will be at that time. Every man walk back work. Since you don't get, you're big for nothing. Now, woman don't come expose you now. You the wrong entire ass. Eh? Your ex mother don't come expose you now. Mighty don't go on. Wa legbera na give baba. More than the list.
Lady K, no sungu. O no piagu loyo ewe.
Yeah.
Woman wey be say e dey kpakpa men. All the men wey don knack am, e don kpai all of them. Woman wey don go prison for Belgium. Woman wey dey fight like mad woman. They say they fight for Belgium like Omeme. If you don't smoke it, go only Morocco. Here we tell Lizzy K. To was say Morocco. To was say eva no for fwa. No good boy. Uwe ya dalo di menu ene. Ta God di yama dalo di inu ewe. Iga gbasha wo be Nigeria. Ya gbe ga afise mezi woba market. Uwe esi me emilonia no. Eriono na no. Lady K. Iya dalo di mene be Belgium. Iya we. Whether 3 children, 3 papa. Different junkie with Belgium.
ya ni muwe ya be owe ya be mu ekonu no sungu e pote pepper soup nu le be restaurant siwe abi bi anu gbele o ya le ne pepper soup ele dike no gbeli pia for a living ole kankan wa sungu ogun ogbijuwe ya kwala dressing mamure ya pujere ariowa wa sungu ele dike wa sungu iwinere okia buwenya wa jun we mugu ne omo mebu atewu ugu no te gbomo mebu we ki wo ka wu ai mugwe yoto amomo mebu nyawe wa sungu so we saka gwe wu na imi afije mi unu gegu we ne we download keep ikiana de kanjeme ekena pogu we jiwe doni mi amion ime manaiti bi ogugwe ra bi juwe na gune era bi juwe na gune ime manaiti ya fiere yo wawe mesu agi ogwa wa gbe o mo gbe di juwe fi an wi juwe na zen iya download me ni ya weti juwe wa ka juwe upopo ya gbe juwe iya ize gbe juwe ya wi juwe je azen oride osalopo aliko so ya na gian juwe ijo na de kodu kona de yuwe ziki yana yupopo ya gbiju Lizzy wa gbe o azeni jo fi anu e ologo we na mi eweti ya ni opla nu riri lele te ya gu lo yo wewe wa sungu wa gbe o webe do mugu uwa o egen mana gele awe saga be Facebook abami wa na wa na mi mana wa lewo de just that we na iwata we no kasa ga ikabe but ye gbugwa neke yewe wa gba so ri wata se eri anawe freduji eri auji me ma oji ima oji nu gwi fredi wa gba ogun ogbo egbe informative we no ma anything about Esther wa sunwu ogun ogbiju obiaze we no gwi we no keke we no gbelikpia no gbelikpia ya le pepper soup. But could I not go Lady K restaurants and give your bejo? Talk belikpia ya we suya. Talk belikpia weti ikpia gulo yo ewe. Lizzy K oye gbashawo. Also we best friends we. Ona call him wana. Awe shifi we Nigeria. What da finye no. What mare yen what we honu wa ya ran we shifi ni wa mare yen. Una wa liyeke una ya we marriage ye shifu. Una ya bulie ke mare osewe egbunyi we dano mo mebo we go we gwe o dere ola wa o ogugwa gwa lo to gugwa nu gwa sunwu me na ogwo ma gbono me weti pe akulo yo ewe me ga ya ti mi aso asaga we me ma me gwo ma gbo we hin ime we gbo hin ime we no gbasha go morere fu ago me bejon ewe na bata enu gbe na jega be bejon ya na sewe ai ugi jega try and come go kiri for Germany here. You not go come out. Many no women, many. When gbata weru ami mama ekwa lele aje Germany. Imana muwe ye life imprisonment. Ya be muwe yo but when they come aso agwa imo uwe mama kame kanwe. Imakoru no sugbo we. O makame kanwe. Ima we de. Mo say frustration your work be. Mo say depression your work be. Mo gogu wa womo mebo uwa ti onu gba goge David osalopo na ri power ri strength ni ma osalopo na ri gyodu ni ma ni ma yaku ogugwa depression na ila mo mebo gbe depression yen be like gbe na restaurant nu ya gbe la wa restaurant nu na ki cocaine restaurant nu na ki Morocco Morocco le kankan Lizzy K wa mo mebo yen izewa here is a wild one year so I feel for you bohe. Wherever laluwe omo mebo. Wa lalu omo mebo useless girl. Alaluwe. Etu laluwe u omo mebo ose nu na ye you water re. Alaluwe Lizzy K. Lizzy K no sun guno gugbera gbiju nu gbe o. Na mi gog you Lizzy K. Na mi gog you. Wa gbe o. Nene shifi ni agube ya snatch na shifi we lefewe. Boru uweni metaga mugwea. Uweni metaga wa sungu. Wa beo